Do you want to expand the possibilities of your underwater exploration? How can you customize your FIFISH E-GO to suit your needs and preferences? What if you could experience the underwater world as if you were there? In this video, we will show you how the FIFISH E-GO has internal space reconstruction, dual payload interfaces, micro SD card slot, VR intelligent technology, and dozens of professional add-on attachments to enhance the functionality and performance of the FIFISH E-GO. One of the features of the FIFISH E-GO is its 6-port expansions that can connect to different accessories. Its payload can support up to 5 kilograms of weight. It can be used to attach devices and accessories such as cameras, sonars, robotic arms, water samplers, and more. The FIFISH E-GO also comes with a Swift data storage that can store your data securely and conveniently. The Swift data storage allows you to easily insert and remove the microSD card. The Swift data storage also allows you to transfer your data to your computer or other devices using a USB cable or a card reader. In addition, the FIFISH E-GO has an immersive VR head tracking and control feature that can provide you with a realistic and interactive underwater experience. The VR head tracking and control feature uses VR intelligent technology that can synchronize the movement of your head with the movement of the FIFISH E-GO. The VR head tracking and control feature allows you to control the direction of the FIFISH E-GO by simply turning your head left or right, up or down. The VR head tracking and control feature also allows you to see what the FIFISH E-GO sees through a VR headset or a smartphone. Moreover, the FIFISH E-GO has expandable professional accessories that can enhance the functionality and performance of the FIFISH E-GO for different tasks and scenarios. The professional accessories include observation tools, measurement tools, navigation tools, robotic arm tools, sampling tools, OPSS system, and more. These professional accessories can provide you with more functions and data for your underwater operations. As you can see, the exceptional functionality and performance of the FIFISH E-GO are a versatile and adaptable solution for underwater operations. They allow you to connect to different devices and accessories, store your data securely and conveniently, control your FIFISH E-GO with VR head tracking and control, and expand your FIFISH E-GO with professional accessories. In this video series, we have shown you how the FIFISH E-GO is the new paradigm of efficiency, strength, and reliability. We have shown you how the FIFISH E-GO has a highly efficient and modular design, a powerful and effortless propulsion system, a fast charging solution, an advanced imaging system, and exceptional functionality and performance. We have also shown you how the FIFISH E-GO can help you achieve your underwater goals with ease and confidence. The FIFISH E-GO is a state-of-the-art underwater robot that can help you solve your problems, improve your efficiency, and achieve your goals. Whether you are an explorer, an inspector, a researcher, or an enthusiast, the FIFISH E-GO can provide you with a convenient, flexible, durable, reliable, powerful, fast, clear, intelligent, functional, versatile, and adaptable solution for your underwater operations. The FIFISH E-GO is more than just an underwater robot, it's your underwater partner.